Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Ford F-150 tailgate. First, locate the handle on the tailgate itself. Pull the handle firmly to disengage the latch. Then, gently lower the tailgate by hand. For models with power tailgates, find the button on the dashboard or inside the bed. Press it once to release and lower the tailgate automatically. It's a simple process once you know where to look. For manual operation, simply grasp the handle located in the center of the tailgate. A firm pull will unlatch it, allowing you to lower it smoothly. If your F-150 has a power tailgate, you'll find a convenient button, often near the cargo light switch inside the truck bed. Pressing this button will electronically release and lower the tailgate for you, making loading and unloading much easier. Many F-150 models also offer the convenience of key fob remote tailgate release. Look for a dedicated button on your fob, often marked with a tailgate icon. Press and hold it for a few seconds, and the tailgate will unlatch and begin to lower. Always ensure the area behind your truck is clear before opening the tailgate, whether manually or remotely, to prevent any accidental damage or injury. If your tailgate isn't opening smoothly, first check for any debris or obstructions around the latch mechanism. Sometimes a quick clean can resolve the issue. Regularly lubricating the hinges and latch with a suitable spray can also prevent stiffness and ensure long-term, effortless operation. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Keeping your F-150's tailgate in top condition is easy with these simple tips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.